What if AI could finish hours of work in minutes? Millions of people are using AI to write emails, create presentations, summarize documents, and automate repetitive work in minutes instead of hours. In this video, we will explore 10 powerful AI tools that can help you work faster, save time, and become dramatically more productive. Let's begin. What will we do in this video? We will start an introduction to AI productivity, why time matters, AI writing and research tools, AI design and presentation tools, AI coding and development tools, AI automate and workflow tools, tool comparison, key takeaways, AI productivity revolution. Intelligent software automates repetitive tasks and learns work patterns, eliminates manual processes, accelerating content creation and strategic analysis. More than 2 hours saved daily on average by AI users. Power of time savings, productivity benefits, complete more projects in less time, and meet deadlines without stress while improving work-life balance. Faster workflows, reduce task completion by time from 14 to 60%, and streamline collaboration across teams. Repetitive work, automate data entry, formatting, and eliminate tedious copy-paste tasks from your daily routine. More creativity, spend more time on strategic thinking and preserve energy from innovation and complex problem solving. Tool is for AI writing. It's a Chatgpt, best for drafting articles, emails, and brainstorming creative ideas. Draft a 1000 word article in 2 minutes instead of 2 hours. This prompt will help you realize this. It's a Claude AI. Advanced reasoning and deep analysis. Exceptional at processing long documents, 100 plus pages with high accuracy. Summarize a 50-page report in seconds with precise synthesis. And this is the prompt for Claude AI 2. The third tool is for organization. It's Notion AI, the all-in-one workspace that thinks for you. Automated meeting summarize and action items, instant brainstorming and content drafting. And this is the prompt for Notion AI. The fourth tool is writing improvement. It's Grammarly. AI writing improves grammar, clarity, tone, and sentence structure to make your writing more professional and natural. Real-time grammar and tone adjustments enhance clarity and professional impact. This is the prompt. This tool, it's an AI-powered design. It's Canva AI. It designed with Magic Studio. Magic Design instant templates from prompts. Edit, add or replace elements with AI. Write AI-powered copywriting assistant. And this is the prompt for Canva AI. The tool 6 presentations. It's Gamma AI, of course. New medium for presenting ideas. Generate full desks from a single prompt. Fluid responsive layout for any device. One click aesthetic styling and themes. And this is the prompt. The tool 7 is for coding. It's GitHub Copilot, the world's most widely adopted AI developer tool. Help engineers write code 55% faster by providing real-time autocomplete and function suggestions. And this is the prompt. The tool 8 is for research. It's Perplexity AI, a conversational search engine that provides cites research answers, eliminates hours of manual searching by synthesizing information with direct direct source links. And this is the prompt. Visuals. Midjourney helps you to create visuals. State-of-the-art AI image generation that transforms text descriptions into stunning visual artwork and professional illustrations. Generate visuals in minutes, not hours. And this is the prompt. The dance tool and the last tool, it's the workflow automation. It's Zapier AI, the glue of the internet. Connect over 5,000 apps to automate complex workflows and eliminate repetitive manual data tasks. Automate 100 tasks with zero code. And this is the prompt. Attention. Always remember that AI can make mistakes, so prioritize accuracy and caution. If you want to take a screenshot, these are the 10 AI tools. We speak about them. You can take a screenshot. Start your AI journey today. AI is not replacing people, it is replacing repetitive tasks. Save more than 2 hours daily. Focus on tools that match your specific workflow to reclaim your time. Test and combine. Start with free trials and combine multiple tools for maximum productivity. Stay ahead. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Embrace the future of work. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more AI and productivity content, and leave a comment, like and share it. And remember, work smarter, not harder.